Craig?
A hole in my shirt.
A hole in your shirt? How do you feel about that?
Not great.
Not great. But this is required to build the lightsaber, so.
I don't have a heart. Where am I supposed to put it?
What is that on there?
It's just a symbol.
I see. Interesting. We are about to begin the lightsaber experience. So these are all the different lightsaber hilt styles we have in these drawers here. So I believe this first one is like elemental, and it's got this cool horn hilt style that you can choose. The one that Craig went with was the power and, I don't know, essentially dark side one. In Harry Potter terms, Slytherin. So lots of red accents on there, which is his favorite color, makes a lot of sense. We'll see how it comes together. So they gave us this fancy card here with some Arabesh at the top, so we're trying to decipher the code right now. Kind of cool. Do you know, is Arabesh something that existed before Batu?
Yeah, that's the language in Star Wars.
Oh really? All of it? So it all translates like this?
In theory, yeah.
Kind of cool. Update, we've learned that it means SAVI'S WORKSHOP.
Shocker, considering we're at
Shocking. Who would have guessed it?
Say green? No, group.
Group. Ah.
Group what?
I mean, it says green at the bottom, but...
Group B.
Group B. Interesting.
This was the other one I thought about.
What?
This was the only other one I considered.
What is that one?
That's power. Bottom one's power and control. That's protection and defense. This is peace and justice. And that's elemental nature up top.
Yeah, I recognize the elemental nature one because of the horn thing.
Something's two. Rank or two.
It's a 2.
No, just looking, thanks. Yep. Alright, shoppers, just want to go over a few basics. This, I think y'all know what this is, alright? I think y'all doing a lot of time to go. I'm just going to go over a few basics for you. Everything is right makes tight. Everything screws on to the right. That's all you got to do. You have one choice of activation plates. One of 2 choices. You can't mix and match sets, so you make sure to choose one set that your heart calls to most. When you take off your activation plates, you have assembled here. When you put them on, you're going to see the red markers on the inside of the activation plate, and then you're going to match the red marker on the activation plate to the red marker on the centerpiece, the chassis, and you're going to match the blue to the blue marker on the chassis. Blue makes blue, red makes red, balance in the force, and all things, okay? Everything screws on right is tight. You'll get a choice of 2 of 4 grips, a choice of 1 of 2 emitters, and 1 of 2 pommel caps. You have a choice of 4 different primer crystals, which will determine the color of your saber blade. That is blue, green, violet, and red. Additional colors, white and yellow, are available at Doc Ondar's after your ceremony, okay?
Right here, place your...
Welcome. So, glad you all made it here safe. Any trouble from the first order? No. I know this might not reflect much to all of you, but to us, this is everything. Admittedly, you may look around here and see a bunch of old junk. But let me clarify. Some of this is new junk. I see you've met all my friends. Excellent. You can call me Kembe. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find there, we bring here. So where a wandering stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may be the only way to ensure our future. Now, all of you, have you heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Yes.
Oh yeah.
Well, we hear that there's another, a new Jedi. What's her name?
Rey.
That's right. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have all been waiting for. And that's where all of you come in. To build this. A lightsaber. It has been wielded by our greatest of heroes and darkest of enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its wielder, with the force flowing between them. And today, all of you feel that connection. So enough talk. Let's begin. We begin with the smallest but perhaps most important component of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. It is able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say that the crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. And we begin with blue. The blue crystal has been wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Ahsoka Tano, Qui-Gon Jinn, Master Yoda himself, and of course Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal. It's rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It is said to be the color of power, like the one wielded by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are just stories of the past. We are here for all of you, our future. It is now time to choose your own kyber crystal. Everyone, please close your eyes. Now, in your mind, picture your kyber crystal is calling out to you. Remember, it is equally as likely that the crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and select your own kyber crystal. And when you have, please place it on the green crystal plate on your station. You've all selected your kyber crystals. Now it's time to join your crystal with the saber design components that you have selected. We move on to the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and everything that you will need. In front of you, you will find things such as the chassis, the grips, the emitters, the pommel caps, and the activation plates. Remember that building your lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you select your kyber crystal.
Alright, that'll be the top of your hilt. If you can try to figure out there, you'll feel a screen. Pull down on that and insert your kyber crystal. There we go. I can hear it from here.
Follow your instincts.
If you look on your chassis, you'll see a square. Those will match up with the activation. You're going to match blue to blue and red to red. Over here, your gold stand up. Bottom first, and then push up, and then twist you over. Perfect. You found your activation switch. If you slide up, that'll be how you activate your saber. On the other side, push down, no push up. Out of any one.
So these
Next, you just select your grips. One will go on the top, and one will go on the bottom, and you'll just apply very light pressure and twist, and everything should be in your way. We try to pick the scrap metal. So next we're going to move on to our emitters here. That's in the center of the box.
I like that.
So now that you've selected your grips, place an emitter on the top, a pommel on the bottom, and then place your receiver hold here. So next an emitter, and then a pommel, and then you'll place it right here. These are
They look the exact same to you? Oh. Did you know? Follow your instincts. As
how we went over here. So remember, when you slide up, that'll be how you activate it?
I love that you have the red accents throughout.
That's the money we're spending. We gotta
Pick it up. Wow, that's heavy.
Yeah.
Wow. That's like the cycle bar bars. Cool.
Can I take a look one more time?
Yeah.
Now, as you are all finishing up building your hilts of your lightsabers, it is time to make that connection with it. So pick up your saber, pick up your hilt, feel it. Feel the ridges, the nooks and crannies, feel the weight of it. How does it feel, Ava? Heavy, I'm sure. There's a weapon on your right there, isn't it?
Practicing those spin moves.
Make that connection.
Ouch.
For this one moment, this is new. Revel in that excitement. The bond between you and your saber will only grow more and more from this moment. Build that connection. Excellent work.
Chicken.
You're doing a great job. It's exciting, isn't it? That connection is being made. You have all completed your hilts, and nothing unexpected or dramatic has happened. Yes. Which brings us to the most dangerous part of the process. Everyone, please take a giant step back from your station and leave your hilt on your station. It is now time to stabilize the crystals for activation. The gatherers are placing your sabers to the crystal stabilization chamber. This part makes me a bit nervous, but as long as the emitter matrices are not inverted, things should not explode. We've only had a few explosions today. I don't foresee any more. Oh, excellent. Things are going as planned.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. In just a moment, the bond between Builder and Saber will be forged. Now in a moment, you'll all step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and on my mark, we will all activate together. Now Builders, step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers! You have all built your lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. builders, deactivate your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So as you depart, the gatherers are pleased to present to you a saber sheath that will protect your lightsaber. Now our time here has come to an end. But all of your journeys are just beginning. It is time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built here today. Maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Till the spire.
Till the spire. Whoa.